Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so happy because I finally, after almost a month or more of waiting, I finally have my Crypto.com Visa card. Yay! So let's get right to it. Open that up. I honestly thought this card was not going to come. Oh, cool. It comes with this cute little, welcome note from the CEO of Crypto.com. And now to the fun part. And I think I'm supposed to open it here, so. Oh, how gorgeous. How gorgeous. Oh, I almost don't want to take it out. I just want to just use it at the checkout line like, boom. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so it looks very cool. I mean, this is super cool. I am very, very impressed. It does seem to be upside down though, is it not? Yeah, it is. So, well, actually, no, it isn't. All right. That is so cool. I could just do this all day. I may just put one of my old debit cards in here and just do this. I'm kidding. Okay, so let's just get to it. Pop it out. Okay, first thoughts. This card is heavy. This is definitely a metal card. You can tell just from the weight of it alone. This is ridiculous. It feels like I'm holding a handful, I would say a handful of like this full of coins. If you've ever had like a piggy bank or a savings challenge that you've done with coins, that's the equivalent of the weight that this one card has. Yeah, definitely. And I'm not a weak woman, I'm pretty strong, so this is pretty cool. So I love this card. This is gorgeous. It is a little less vivid than I thought it would be. It's giving me more maroon vibes than like a ruby red, but it's still gorgeous. So now I guess I will go into the app and activate it. Okay, I am in my Crypto.com app. Wonderful. Okay, now that my card is set up, I guess I'm free to use it. This screen is a little bare. So, let's hit the card button. Okay, so let's hit top up. See what happens. And so anyway, that is it. This app is, like I said, my second favorite investing app, and this one is only for crypto. And so I think that the functionality of the app needs work, but I like the freedom within the app. I like that you can transfer your balances between other platforms or to another wallet, external wallet. And I like that now that I have the card, I'll get cash back, or not cash back, I'm sorry. I will get rewards and 100% back the amount of my Spotify. And my Spotify is $12.99 a month. I am a long-term investor, but one thing that I've just recently gotten into when I started investing in crypto currencies was to take profits off the top. And I desire to pay my bills and living expenses with my investments. Our goal is to not have to work a 9-to-5 and be able to take the money that we earn in our investments and live on that alone. So, I don't know. Anyway, that's it, guys. That is the Crypto.com Visa card. And enjoy your days.